what's up, everybody? We're live. All right, let's go through. I'm still in Microsoft. I'm still in Baidu, even though it's up 1.47%. The option didn't do anything. It's only up $8, which is crazy. But I'm in the 182.50. I hate when that happens, but that's just the reality of options. Sometimes you can, be wrong in your prediction. I mean, be right in your prediction, but the options may not move. But I'll remain in this until tomorrow because I think it's going to seek to take out these highs. Once it goes above 182.50, it should go up 100% at least. But we'll see what happens with that. Microsoft, I'm still here. See, I'm down $81. The option is at $24 right now, and I'm in the 275 put, and it's holding at that 180. So we'll see what happens with that. Tesla also. I'm in the all the way up. I'm in the $700 strike, and it's at 655. It didn't do anything today. Only hit a high of 664. NKLA, I'm out of. I took 100% profit on that. I was in the 14. It's at 1484. And let's see. These option strikes look like that. Weird. I don't know. As you see here, there's nothing really happening. I am looking at that Zoom. Zoom, it looks like Zoom will, I'm definitely taking the Zoom trade. If it doesn't change up. I will be getting in the Zoom 362.50 call. 362.50 call. Let me see if I can get in at 120. The volume's light on it, but let me see. You guys know I usually wait to close to 4 o'clock to get in, but we ain't talking about a lot of money, so I ain't gonna even, I'm gonna try to get in at 120. You see my bid just popped up, 120. It's asking 125. Let's see if it takes. And it did. So I'm in Zoom. The 362.50 call. And so far, that looks like that'll be my only trade for today. SPCE. It's not a lineup on that. Or NVIDIA. I missed a couple of trades this week. Let me show you the exception to the rule about earnings plays. Let's look at Chipotle. Look at Chipotle. Look at that. Look at the percentage. 1,000%, 2,000% on Chipotle. They reported earnings yesterday, and it was favorable, and the market is rewarding Chipotle today. Chipotle investors up 11%, but look at the options. Yesterday it closed at 15.74. Right now it's at 17.52. So it made a $177 move. So if you was in the 1700 strike, it would have cost you $235, and it hit a high of $8,000. Those type of plays happen during earnings. It hasn't happened for me, maybe but once or twice in my life as a trader, but it does happen. This trade, well, I didn't have the trade. I had a buy signal on Monday with Chipotle. You can see here, Monday. But never thought about, because the options are so expensive. Monday it closed at 15.51. So that 1700 strike would have cost me $205. So Netflix reported yesterday too, and look, it's down 3.5%. Let's look at what the options did. This is an example of what I've been saying about trading options during earnings. Chipotle is the exceptional case. But look, 50% moves in the options. So if you would have been right, if you would have speculated that it was going to go down, and it did, it would have paid you 50%. So I think tomorrow you got Snapchat, Intel, and Twitter. More reporting tomorrow after the close. So the other trade, the trade that I was saying that I missed this week is I missed Square. You see that? I missed A.B.B. and I can't even tell you how I missed this, especially this trade here. I don't know what turned me off, even though the options didn't do anything. But still, that's a trade that I would have wanted to be in. I would have wanted to be in. It would have cost me $147 for the contract, and it's at 520. So A.B.B. and Riot, I had a signal on Riot and I didn't take it. I don't know what the fuck. Excuse my language, but this trade here, the 2-day gave the signal, and then the 1-day lined up with it yesterday, and somehow I missed that trade as well. Could have made 300-400%. So, in sharing that with you, it's important for you to take every signal that corresponds to whether or not you have a buy or a sell. Or up or down. It's important. Pull the trigger and let the probabilities play out. You don't know which one is going to be that winner. Like in this case, this week, the AMC trade that I took. The AMC trade alone took care of every loss that I may have for the week. I sold out at $400, got in at 111. That took care of what, 3 bets? If I'm averaging trades anywhere from $100 to 150, you're talking about 2 bets or either 3 bets. So making money on that and making money on PLTR as well. And then the NKLA, which, remember that trade, I was trying to get it in 4 contracts. For some reason, they only got me in 1. But still, it's a 100% move. So, Zoom is my 9th, I want to say my 9th trade. And on Friday, I'll do a video, or Saturday morning, I'll do a video explaining the spreadsheet and showing you the different stats and how we will measure whether or not this trading system is going to be profitable in the long run. We want to get through 100 trade series, and at the end of 100 trades, at the end of 100 trades, we want to evaluate. And I want to show you what trading is all about by looking at some specific statistics that are important. You would think that being right on every trade is important, and it's not. What's important is how much you make on your winning trades and how much you lose on your losers. If your average loss is at $100, but your average win is maybe 3-4 times that, you're going to make money. Even if you're 60% accurate, you're going to make money. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys throughout this 100 trade series, let's call it a series, I'm going to demonstrate to you what trading is all about. And it's not about being right on every trade. It's about making money. As simple as that. Get the signals again. The Zoom, I'm in Zoom. I'm still in Microsoft. That's right now, I'm a loser. Tesla is not panning out. We'll see what, let's see, those are the only 2 that I'm still in. And I'm in Zoom. Oh, Baidu. The Baidu trade. We'll see how Baidu pans out. Yeah, we'll see how bad. I'm in the 182.50. It's at 180.39. So we'll see what happens with that. That is a line up. So I think it's going to pan out. But we'll see. But I will touch base with you guys tomorrow. Until then, have a good one.